Okay, hey y'all. So I'm gonna be vlogging. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Right now we at a car accident. Heading out down the little stop sign. But yeah, we at a car accident. We getting ready to go to our destination. Where? I don't know. But it'll be fun. So I'm gonna just take y'all along on the ride.
Oh yeah, I'm spraying him.
You know you
He's
gonna
taking his ass. Go back over there.
Mama tell you you gonna to the Nelson line.
No, your mama did. Your mama didn't even know where we was going.
Yes, she did.
She asked me, she was like, where you going? Where we going? I said I didn't know.
Okay.
She said she didn't know. So she lied to me. You lied to me?
What I lied to you about?
You said you didn't know where we was going.
No, I know you said about the feet, but I thought we was going someplace else. I heard them talking about feet. That's how I figured that shit out. I ain't know. I thought we was going someplace else.
Where else were we going?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
You know you're gonna get your feet done. My mama said something about you wearing that to get your feet done and get your feet dirty or something.
No, I thought we was going to the beach. Cause she said something like, your feet gonna get dirty. I was like, wait. I was like, so you going to the beach?
I ain't saying nothing about no feet get dirty.
You said something about some feet. I thought we was going to the beach.
I said get my... No.
We don't know.
Girlfriend, I'm gonna slap her.
I ain't even do nothing.
Sound like a little child. I ain't do nothing.
Y'all, they ain't here arguing with me. Because I didn't know I was going to get my feet.
No, yeah, I saw
Give me
that
out your
email
video.
come up. I said,
Oh, I would take it,
but I was,
and I
I was
would
checking those
delete
people.
So I
references.
didn't know that I was supposed to get my feet done today, but thank you.
She adamant about having
I
three
get my
references.
fingers done too. I get these done too.
Yeah.
Hey, I get these done too.
You can get all this done.
I know. Oh, you late, baby. You was late. We don't need you no more.
That's that black dude.
Oh, he was sitting there.
That's the dude that came
traffic.
to the house yesterday.
My nigga, you was late. Everything about to open now.
Yeah.
That's Alvin. Alvin Knight.
Where Alvin at?
Don't.
Y'all look at Alvin.
What you cooking?
Oh wait, that might not be Alvin. Unless he got a new tire.
He was changing it yesterday.
You put a new one on?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, well, I guess that is Alvin. Yeah, that's Alvin.
Y'all, Alvin come to the scene all late. Hold on, let me see.
Who is that?
Oh, I can't zoom in.
Who he work for?
Yo.
Here.
He on the fire department. Oh yeah, that's him.
Can you shut the door?
He be all up and
bugs
down the
getting
road
in.
wide open. That's the one who blew the horn at us and was at that white lady house back up in there. I want to see
white
dating Autumn. He had put
Hey,
all
can
the
you
lights
shut
on
the
his
door?
car. Why he put all the lights on his car like that?
Y'all need some.
What do you mean all them lights? That ain't a lot of lights.
That's enough.
Y'all should get some.
Get me.
No.
So now we're just waiting for the ambulance to come. And somebody got to get. Oh, I can zoom in on this part. Okay, somebody got to get flowed out.
No.
Flowed out.
What you mean be on standby?
Anyways. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. He was.
Now they taking a man on a little helicopter. Y'all, I really hope my hair don't get dirty. I'm gonna be so hurt if my hair get dirty.
You better back the hell up in the helicopter.
I am. Say hey to my YouTube.
Say hey to your YouTube. Hey YouTube.
I hope they see you. Okay. Anyways, y'all. Gone. Ooh, they taking a long time. Like this. About 10 minutes. I hope the people be okay, but I kind of wish they hurry up. And then they gotta crank this thing back up too.
Who there? Who there, Tony?
Oh shoot! I almost hurt myself.
Yeah, what are you scratching? What he said?
I think it's the same thing.
Oh shoot! They gonna crank them. I ain't trying to get dirty. Okay, let me tell y'all something. If my hair get dirty, I'm blaming y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. Like, this looks so fun.
Now you know why they call it chopper? Now you about to learn why they call it helicopter chopper. This is real now, right? When you get to take off, the ain't gonna kill you. You probably do it. They can pull the blades down. And it's stopping. That's what it's called. And the deal like going so fast, this is like doing that. Them two. Oh yeah, you dirty.
So
That's
you got
good,
grass all in your hair?
No, you don't.
You got grass in your beard, though.
Who you? Oh,
I would slap you in your face.
yeah, but no, those.
Okay, y'all, so, sorry. So we made it to the line. And I'm just getting some little, oh, do what up? Okay, so, yeah, I think I'm gonna like little French tip toes. Listen, these little French tip toes. That's it. I'm getting gel polish. Okay, y'all, so we back from the nail salon. I got some French tip on my toes, and then this is what my hand looking like. It look cute, so okay. So right now we finna I'm waiting for them to cook, cause a nigga's hungry. But yeah, wait on them to cook, and then I'm about to go watch like some TV or something. I might do some work, cause I do need to do some work. So I think I'm about to just do some work.
How you know she ain't say, you doing the nigga want?
So after we eat this food, what are you doing? Y'all, he be always acting stank to my camera. Let me not put him in there because he's so ugly. Say hey, let me see your toes. Oops. Y'all, she got the same thing as me because she want to be like me.
Shit, I think you got the same thing like me because I always get French toes. I don't be getting all that other stuff.
Hush. Thank you.
Girl, I cut you. See this knife? Let them see this knife.
Go on now. But we got a red velvet cake.
No, she don't have.
Hold on, where this come from? Who made this so I can shout them out? Y'all, this cake is so good. Her name Rebecca. I don't know where she's from, but Rebecca, you did good. Shut up. Well,
Don't shout out too much because she won't give me no damn discount.
Something like that. You can't discount her like that.
Give me a discount on cake if I do some business. Yeah, what want you?
You get one back.
Y'all, I like my nails. I should have got my toes this color, but my boyfriend said he wanted French tip toes, so I got French tip toes.
She won't be like me.
Girl, don't nobody want to be like you.
You are gorgeous, fabulous, and delicious. At 52, shit.
Hey, this going on YouTube, so mind your mouth, please, ma'am. Okay, so what we having for dinner? Y'all, excuse the saint. It's a little rusty.
My dish is clean.
I say, excuse the saint. The noise that it's making.
I'm trying to tell you to get out.
So what we having?
What look like fish? Yeah.
That's fish. I thought that was
Shrimp.
salmon.
No, that's not salmon. That's what that fish turkey like?
I gotta eat that too. I don't want that kind of thing.
You gotta eat whatever Tariq has for you or perch. What Tariq like perch?
Wait, ain't no whiting?
Yes, it's in the refrigerator. You need to take some out and put them in here.
Oh, okay. I'll do that.
Oh. Oh! Why he put this fish up there?
Oh, it's leaking into the thing. It's leaking in this.
Hey, tell him to go back to the car then. Take you with you.
Where is that?
They probably leave on the phone now.
Hold on. Okay, hey y'all. So I just realized that I didn't finish my vlog. So I'm here to let y'all know what happened. So I didn't eat dinner last night because I just had like a real bad headache and I didn't feel like eating, so I just went to sleep. And yeah, I woke up this morning, I felt fine. My mama called me. Got some bad news, but I'll tell you about that later. So yeah. So I was just doing some work. Now I'm about to just wait for mom to come and get me so I could go. So yeah. Just wanted to fill y'all in on what happened last night. So thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Y'all like my nails? Let me know in the comments. Give me some video ideas and like y'all can comment. Like I'm gonna reply back. Like y'all just I don't know. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and a friend, and tell a friend, and a friend, and tell a friend. Period.